Hello to this wonderful group. Good evening, good afternoon. How all they do? I hope so all they do well. Hello to my YouTube brothers and sisters. You they watch this video now. As they open this video, not forget for like, comment, subscribe. This na Dodo Road project. This na Dodo Road project. This road they in making now, as you see, yeah, as you see, you they watch the video, continue till to the end, you will see different. And not forget for like, comment, subscribe. This na Dodo project. All this na inside our community. Take a look this drive they in making now. Take a look. Now go at the go now. Now the highway beside this drive connect. Don't forget you to watch this video. Always like, comment, subscribe. You go see different inside this video. Take a look. This na Dodo project. Take a look. This road inside the next month it will be see different. Inside the see so the ending you will see what's happen there. Not forget for like, comment, subscribe. We dey inside the building construction Dodo project. We dey construct all things that you need. Road, we dey make road, build up a house, make them for you perfect, build swimming pool for you. You need them with the maker. So not forget for like our video, comment, subscribe. You will see more. This na Dodo Road project and then you making now. So take a look. Take a look. Alright. Not forget for like, comment, subscribe. See Dodo Road projects they grow every day inside Dodo. I hope say my voice wanna all know my voice. This is not the road. Dodo Road project a day in making. As we dey connect na the highway beside this drive come on, you will see different. Always like, comment, subscribe. You will watch the video, continue for watching to the end. You will see different. Take a look. All this I also want to see for be different the next coming month. So always like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget for watch your video. This is not Dodo Road project. Take a look all this get for make. All this get for make. Now go at the go now. Outside this road connect. And you to watch the video. Not forget for like, comment, subscribe. You go see different inside the video. You go see more and more within the happen inside this Dodo community project. More day for develop. So take a look. All this na the road project material. Take a look. All this. This na a curve. You dey watch the video, don't forget like, comment, subscribe. You go see different now inside this video after the curve. And what they see done, remember say na him get for happen outside me come on. So take a look. Now I don't come outside this drive come on the highway. I can take a point now for seeing at the highway how this road day. You dey watch this video, don't forget for like, comment, subscribe. More and more day for see inside the video. Just take a look. And I see ya so na so outside get for day. So more can the watch this inside. You will see different inside the video. As you see the project now, waiting to happen outside this drive come on. Take a look. So after this in ending one, so they see the men in the car up. We will continue for cover that side the back. So take a look. This now the project where they go inside Dodo community. You will watch the video. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe. So also come on. Or now so you get for happen like this. So take a look. Sorry, as I continue the video and I go down now inside this wonderful road stop. So take a look outside the seesaw. We get for cover all the kaya day. So you dey watch the video, don't forget for like, comment, subscribe, and more day for see inside this video. So now the Dodo road project now in this. So don't forget you to watch the video. Always like, comment, subscribe, and you will see more and more and more and more they grow. So take a look. This now the video, now the road where they take place inside Dodo community. This now a drive. As you see, this now the highway outside the vehicle there, and outside the sun stop at the drive in junction down there. So take a look. This now in stop. Yeah, take a look. So from here now to the end of the sand, now in for cover. Yeah, so this now the walk where they take place inside Dodo community project. Say thank you to you all. You they watch the video, and remember say today, today we day this now the feel of Dodo, and Dodo now a community where they develop faster. So don't forget always like, comment, subscribe. So this now the driver when they see for go up inside our home there. Thank you to you all. You they watch the video. My family and the group. Thank you.